To enable voice typing in the Z Flip 6, when we have the keyboard activated, at the bottom left, we will either see the microphone or the keyboard icon or nothing. So if we see the keyboard icon, we long press this one. So I'll long press this, and then we see change keyboard button. We will tap voice input, and we tap this icon to use the voice input. Now do note, this icon used to be here in the older operating system. They moved it here permanently. Now, if you don't see any icon here at all, then we need to enable it. So to do this, we will open our settings. Then we will scroll all the way down until we see General Management. Then we will select the keyboard list and default. And if keyboard button or navigation bar is off, we need to turn this one on, and then we will have that microphone icon right here.